When it's time to create content, you wouldn't want to use a 720p webcam, right? A camera that's only 720p. No, you want to step up to a full HD, so at least at the bare minimum, when you need to zoom in, it will not look too cropped. So that's where this comes in. This is the Logitech C615, old but gold. Is it still good in now 2022 standards? Let's find out. Hey guys, this is Chester here. You guys are watching our channel right here at Chester and Unboxing. Today we'll be taking a look at the Logitech C615. This is a webcam that can produce 1080p, that's Full HD, at 30 FPS. So let's take a look at the box first. So that's what they are promoting immediately right out there, 1080, 30. Okay, autofocus and the portable webcam, stuff like that. It is your typical webcam series, so which means that they have a single USB to connect it and it'll power the whole thing up. There's no external power connector required. Okay, so let's open it up first. Okay, so included with the package, you will see a quick start guide, a setup guide and stuff like that. So it just tells you, it just guides you on how to adjust the clipping mechanism of the webcam and some kind of safety documentation and the webcam itself. So this webcam, right, is the cheapest 1080p webcam in Logitech's portfolio, and it is good because sometimes you don't need, you know, that much quality. Sometimes you don't need the top of the end like the Logitech Brio, which is actually this one. You don't need that. Sometimes you just want something that works reliably and well. So that's where this comes in. This model, right, the C615 has a glass lens that has autofocus capabilities. So that's good because it's like sometimes when you do this, you do this, you do this, you do this, it will still be able to focus the subject and not just end up like a blurry mess. It has one single mono mic. I think it's one side. Yeah, when you turn it on, like one light will be on and then the other side should be for the mic. It's mono, so it's only one channel lah. So that means that your voice will not be as natural. But it is still pretty good, I would say, because it's Logitech, right? It's not just some, you know, some unknown brand. Yeah. Okay, in terms of FOV, field of view, it has 78 degrees. So that is actually the same whiteness as your flagship models. So like the C900 series, the 900, 920, 922 Pro and everything like that. And it has perhaps what I would like actually. But before that, let's take out this because it's annoying me. Let's take out this peel first. Okay, finally. Yeah, so in terms of mounting, it has a, if you can see here, yeah, they covered it up. You can see there is a standard screw, a tripod screw. So you can actually put it on your standard tripod stand if you don't want to put it on top of your monitor. But let me just put it back in first, alright? How do you use this monitor? This stand, right? The main way is to clip it. So this is, by the way, this is 360 swivelable. Yeah. So you clip it onto the monitor like that. And then you cap it like that. So imagine my finger is the monitor lah. So you can put it like that. Yeah, and then it will show. Okay, so unfortunately this doesn't come with their dust filter. So you really have to just rely on it like that. Although I'm pretty sure you can find a third party dust cover for it. Yeah. Okay, if not, yeah, so to keep it right, you want to swivel. You don't basically you do not want to leave your lens exposed. So you swivel it and then you close it like that. Yeah, when you are not using it lah, or if you are clipping in on permanently, then you just leave it there. But if you're not using it, then usually you will clip it and then you can just leave it like that as it is. Okay, so it is good, and the USB cable supplied is a USB-A. And the length, it is 95 cm, so that is pretty long, I would say, pretty long enough. Yeah, but it may be a problem if you want to use the webcam off camera. of the monitor. If you want to use it like somewhere else, then the 0.95 cm might be an issue. That's where you need to step up to the high-end series, where, if I'm not wrong, is 1.5 meters. So at least that series you can actually hook it up much further than what you can do with this webcam. Alright, if not, then that would be a very quick unboxing and first look at the Logitech C615 webcam. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.